This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Bob Felder from REN Gold Inc. It's a publicly traded company. Two symbols for you, REN on the TSX Venture and RNSGF in the U.S. Bob, welcome back to SNN.Live.
Thanks, Bob. Good to be here.
It's great to have you back. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Sure. We're a prospect generator company. We're focused in Nevada. Right now we have 24 projects in our portfolio, 8 of which are in deals funded by partners. That means this year we're going to have 8 projects drilled with partner funding, so we have a lot of exposure to the upside, a lot of lottery tickets, so to speak, and exploration, and we're quite excited about having this high of a level of activity going on our projects.
So we last had you on at this conference last year, so let's get an update. What's been going on in the company, let's say, in the last 6 to 12 months?
Since last year, I believe we've got 5 new deals in place. We brought in some strong companies. We brought in Kinetic Gold and we brought in Hawkshield Mining. They took 2 projects each, and that's part of the story that I was just mentioning, that they're both drilling 2 projects of ours this year. So, we continue to generate new targets based on, what we learn, and we always want to have new projects and new things to tell people. We have a good following of projects, or of partners, and so they want to see new projects, so we continue to generate new exciting projects.
And I believe we discussed this last year, but I just want to rehash. What makes the company unique when you compare yourself to other project generators out there in the junior mining space?
Well, I think several things. Our team has had a track record of success. We've been involved in a number of discoveries over the years with other companies, as well as with our predecessor, AuEx Ventures. That company was involved in the Long Canyon project, which became a very big win for shareholders. So the team has a good track record, and we're out there trying to do it again. And I think what sets us apart as well, and we now think that we're the premier prospect generator in the Nevada jurisdiction, is the level of business that we're doing. We attract a lot of partners, and we're getting a lot of money spent by partners on our projects.
And why only focus on Nevada for prospecting?
We've actually gone outside of Nevada. We've had projects in Utah. We currently have a project in Oregon. In prior years, we've actually gone overseas, but with market cycles as they are, when times get tough, you have to kind of retract to your base of operations. So we're still focused where we can do the most good.
And what's your background? I mean, how did you come into REN Gold?
I'm a geologist by training, and I've been in the exploration game since the early 80s. And actually, I've known the Renaissance team for a long time. I started a company in 2011 that actually merged into Renaissance in 2017. We felt that our portfolios and our teams would be very accretive to come together, so we did that. And in the last 2.5 years, that's proven to be very true in terms of the deal flow and the amount of work that we're getting done. So that's why we are how we are.
And then from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2019 moving into 2020?
I guess one of the key things is one of our projects, Silicon, is in a deal with AngloGold Ashanti. They haven't been releasing results, and so therefore we don't know the drill results, but the results indicate they've paid us 3 different payments, a total of $600,000. There's one last payment due next June of $2.4 million US. They're in the middle of permitting a large follow-up drilling program, so all of the circumstantial evidence points to a significant success there. So we will end up with $3 million of non-dilutive financing from their payments, as well as a 1% royalty on the project. That royalty could have very significant value for the company.
And Bob, where can our audience go and find more information about Renaissance Gold?
www.rengold.com. All of our information is on our website, and our contacts if people want to get in touch with us.
My name is Robert Kraft, and we're coming to you live on SNN.Live at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Bob Felder from REN Gold Inc., publicly traded company. The symbols are REN on the TSX Venture and RNSGF in the U.S. Bob, thank you for joining me again.
Thank you.